So hello everyone and welcome to the Brainwave Chess Club. Today we are going to cover a great event initiated by Samay Raina, which is called COB3. So this event has many prizes like the winner of the tournament gets 1 lakh rupees and the mentor of the runner up also gets 1 lakh rupees. Also the runner up and the mentor of the runner up gets 50,000 rupees. Also there are many prizes like Best Draw Award rupees 10,000, Donald Trump Award for not resigning even after losing all the pieces rupees 10,000. So this is a great event guys which is initiated by Samay Raina. So today we are going to look at his round 1 game which was played against Sumit Saurav. So without further ado let's check it out. So Samay started the game with the move c4. Samay goes for the English opening. Sumit replied with d5, c into d5, queen into d5. Samay played a knight to c3 attacking the queen. So black played here queen to d8, knight to f3, bishop to g4, and now comes queen to a4 check. And now you can see that the g4 bishop is hanging. So black should have played here queen to d7, but black was not aware of that his bishop was hanging and black made a mistake over here and played knight to c3. So Samay simply grabbed the bishop. And now you can see that black is simply a piece down, so black has to really play well to come back in this game. So black first played here g6, e4, knight to f6 attacking the queen, queen to g3, e6, bishop to b5 pinning the knight, bishop to d6 attacking the queen, and now comes e5. And now you can see that both the pieces are attacked at the same time. So black played here knight to h5 attacking the queen. So Samay first played here bishop into c3 with a check, b into c3, and now white played here queen to g4. And now you can see that the d6 bishop is attacked. So black first moved back the bishop to e7, and now Samay decided to castle. And now comes the shocking move over here f5 because it collapses the black's position. So white played here e into f6, bishop into f6, and now comes queen to e6 check. So black blocked the check with the move bishop to e7, rook to e1, and now comes knight to f4 attacking the queen. So white played here queen to c6 check, king to f8, and now comes d4 attacking the knight. So black played here knight to d3, and now Samay played a brilliant move over here, rook into e7. And now you can see that the e7 rook is untouchable over there because if black captures the rook with the queen, here comes queen to a8 check and black is losing a piece. And in the game black captured the rook with the king, and here there was a winning move for white, bishop to g5 check, simply winning the queen. But Samay missed it and played queen to e4, which is actually not a bad move. And after king to f7, simply grabbed the knight, queen to d3. And now comes rook to e8, so Samay first gave queen to c4 check, king to g7, and now comes bishop to g5 attacking the queen. So black played here queen to d6, and now comes the move knight to e5. So white wants to play here queen to f7, so black blocked it with rook to e6, but now comes knight to e4 attacking the queen. And now the queen has to go to the b6 square to also guard the e6 rook. So black played here queen to b6, and now Samay solved his bank rank issues with the move h3, and now comes a kind of mistake by black, queen into b2, because now comes simply queen into e6, and after queen to a1, king to h2, you can see that now queen to f7 is the threat, and now black has to play a rook to f8 to guard the f7 square, but now comes simply queen to e7 check, and after king to g8, here comes knight to f6 check. And now black has to capture the knight because the king cannot go to the h8 square due to queen to h7 checkmate. So in the game, black played here rook into f6, but now comes bishop into f6, and now you can see that the queen to g7 check is unavoidable. So after queen into d4, here comes queen to g7 checkmate, and Samay won the game. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also make sure to hit the like button. We will be coming up with round 2 game of Samay Raina.